how to fix display problem in mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick tech video. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can fix that issue. So if your screen is flickering, unresponsive, showing black spots, we can follow up the steps in order to fix the issue and make our display work properly again. So you can restart your mobile. You can press and hold the power button for that. Once you do so, a menu appears on your screen. You can look out for the restart option and select restart. And selecting restart should fix many temporary display glitches. Apart from that, you can check brightness and screen settings. Go over your settings, open it up on your device, and go over and find the option for display and find it up and tap on it. Once you are here, you can just go ahead and adjust the brightness, and you can even turn on adaptive brightness or turn it off depending upon yourself. And if there is any option for screen timeout, you can just go ahead and minimize it according to your own choice, because sometimes incorrect settings can cause flickering or dim screens. Apart from that, you can restart your phone in safe mode as well, and that should help you fix the issue. Or you can reset the display settings. So go to settings for that again, open up your device's settings, and go to the search at the top. And from there, you can just go ahead and tap on display. And there, if you find the option for reset display, you can just go ahead and find it up. Or you can look out for the reset generally for everything. Just go ahead and tap on that option. And once you go ahead and confirm it, the restore default display will basically reset it without deleting your data. And also inspect that your screen for cracks or water damage for physical damages, because if the phone has physical damage, the display may need professional repair. So if none of these steps fixes your display problem, you can visit an authorized service center for the safest option to avoid further damage. And that's all for today's video. By following these simple steps, you should be able to fix your issue on your own. So if this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more tech solutions.